Hello and
Welcome.
In this How to Draw video, we're going to be doing a folding surprise ice cream cone. So I'll show you what I mean. So here we've got one ice cream. Oh, but I love ice cream so much. I'd like some more. Can I have some more ice cream?
Yes.
Yes? Oh, thank you.
You can have a dripple.
Surprise! See, we open it up and there we've got 4 ice creams.
Dripple.
So this is what we're going to be drawing today, and we'll show you how to fold it and how to draw it so you can open up and have your surprise ice cream in there. Alrighty, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Alright, so we've got our paper here. Now the first thing to do before we draw is we need to fold it. So
Fold.
yeah, we'll get our paper here. Again, it's good to use a rectangle paper for that. So we're just going to fold in half. We'll take the top and take it down to the bottom and make sure that it lines up nicely and just create a nice fold along like that. And let me give you a bit of a handle, just a moment. There we go, let's do that together. Wonderful. And then we fold it again. So we take the top sheet from the bottom and we move that
Lift it up.
to the top there
And
again.
give it a nice crease.
Line it up. Yeah, let's get that a nice crease. Let me give you a hand. That's nice and straight. There we go. So now, once we do our drawing, we can open it up and be like, surprise, closed, surprise, closed. Yeah.
Surprise.
All right. So the first thing we need to do is we need to do the drawing while it's closed, so then we can see the character there, and then when we open it up, we know exactly where the surprise drawing area is. All right. So let's do our ice cream.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start off doing a little circle at the top. So it's going to be he's going to have a little cherry. Yep. And then I'm just going to have a little stick there as well, like that.
And I'll put a leaf.
Yeah, that's a good idea. All right, so now this ice cream here, I think we're going to have some chocolate sauce in over the
Or
top.
chocolate cherry.
Yeah, so let's do that. So we're going to draw a bit of a circle, semicircle like that. So it's the top. And then along the bottom here, we're going to make some nice wiggle waggles or waves or drips of chocolate sauce ice cream. Like that. Okay, so now we'll draw the rest of the ice cream part. So we'll just draw 2 little lines like that, a slight curve. Yep. And then along the bottom, we're just going to again do some wiggles because that's the bottom of the ice cream there. You can do it all different shapes, sizes, make it a little bit random. Very good. Yeah, good job. And of course, this is an ice cream cone, so we're going to draw a cone there. So we go down on an angle like that, and a nice curved bottom, and then straight up. So it's kind of like a big V shape.
And then you can put the lines inside.
Yeah. Okay, so now let's draw some eyes. So I'm going to draw a circle here and another one there. We can colour those in later. And I'm just going to give this one a little smile here like that. And he's going to be poking his tongue out. Okay, so this is my character from eyes. I'm just going to give it some highlights there as well. You can just draw another circle inside that circle. I'm just going to colour it in black, but you can colour in any other colour that you like. So now, when we open this up, there we go.
He will stretch out.
He or she, whatever the ice cream is, will stretch out. So we can see we've got the bottom bit there. And now the trick is to fill in the shape in the middle. Now, looking at this, I think we can probably get another 3 scoops. So
A dropple.
yeah, quadruple. Yeah.
Drupal.
So so it goes from 1 up to 4.
1 up to 4.
Yep. So let's open it up. So now we're going to draw the rest of the shape. So we'll start from the top one. So we can see we've done most of it. So we just have to finish this off.
With a little bumpy.
Yeah, little
Wiggle waggle.
drippy bits of ice cream, yeah. And so that lines up there. Cool, and let's draw another one. So I think that will fit nicely in here. So we draw a nice little curve on this side. So that's the shape of the scoop. And then again, just like on the top, we're going to have like little
Wiggle waggle.
wiggle waggle bumpy bits.
Away or you.
So that's just the shape and texture of the ice cream. Because you know when you scoop it, the top of nut is nice and round, and then the bottom's always got little funny rounded bumps and edges. Okay, and I think we'll do another one here. So I think we'll draw this one up to this area here roughly. So again, we just copy the same sort of shape. Again, put some bumps and stuff on it. You've already started your face, which is fine. Again, you can make the bumps nice and random, so it looks really cool. And then the last one, so we can just finish that off. And the last one, we've already drawn the bottom part there, so we'll just draw the sides. Make sure that lines up nicely. Just like that. Now, while you're drawing that, I'm just going to do a quick test, so I can close it off and see if that all lines up nice. Open it up. There we go. And then all we need to do is go through and put some faces on here. So you can do all sorts of different faces as you like. So you've already started doing lots of funny ones. That's really cute. I like that. This one here is going to kind of have his eyes closed a little bit and a really big smile. Like that. The next one here, I'm just going to make a real silly one, I think. Put in some eyes. I have to put some highlights in there. Just like that. And I think this one is going to have some funny teeth. So a big smile and the teeth, you can just do nice rounded shapes there like that.
That looks like a monster.
Yeah, that looks funny, doesn't it? And the last one down the bottom, I think I'm going to make him sad because he's on the bottom. Everyone's sitting on top of his head. So let's do a bit of a frown. He's not too happy being at the bottom of the pile. But anyway, what can you do? Angry eyes.
Because they're heavy.
Well, yeah, you've got 3 ice creams sitting on top of you and it must be heavy. Okay, so let's close it up just to see if that's all lined up. It is looking very good, and then open it up and then you've got your ice creams. Yep. Alright, now before we colour this in, just a little tip. It's with the first ice cream and the last ice cream. Just make sure they're the same colour because they are sharing some of the shapes there as well. So you can see the bottom ice cream is peeping out from the bottom and the top ice cream sitting on top. So just make sure the first ice cream and the last ice cream is the same colour. But the rest you can colour them whatever you like. Alright, so you ready to colour in?
Yes!
Okay, let's colour. And we're back, that's right. So we've finished colouring in our ice creams and I think they look amazing. And the good thing is you can put them any colour you like. So I've done mine strawberry, vanilla, mint and another strawberry. And what flavours have you got there?
I got chocolate.
Yeah.
Blueberry.
Yeah.
Orange. And rainbow.
Wow.
And some chocolate.
That's really cool, and I like all the extra details. We've added some extra drips in there because it's melting. And you put the sun in there as well because obviously
it's melting the ice cream.
that's right. So when it's warm, it melts the ice cream. So you have to eat it quickly. All right. So let's just quickly fold this up and just see how it looks. So we've got one ice cream. So please, sir, can I have another one? Why, yes. You can have 4. There we go. You happy with that?
Yes.
Yeah, I think they look amazing. Good job. Well, thanks for watching. We hope you had a wonderful time drawing ice creams. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other drawing videos for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye.
Bye.